My name's John Mans. So the last few months of 2019, I was experiencing migraine headaches about once a week. And it was like clockwork, except maybe one was on a Thursday and then another one would be on a Friday. These headaches were completely debilitating. I'd start feeling it come on around noon one day, and by 5 o'clock there was nothing I could do. Aspirin, ibuprofen, nothing would help, and I was completely useless until about noon the next morning. Anyway, my daughter-in-law told me that I might want to try a chiropractor, so I came to Dr. Snow's office, I think the third week of January 2020, and it's been 2 years, 2 months since then, and I have not had a single migraine headache, so it was very successful for me. Now, in the meantime, I was still experiencing periodic lower back pain, and I'd say starting in October, I've had one of the other staff members here, Phil, he started doing deep tissue massage on me, and since 1st of October, and this is now March, I've not had any lower back pain. So both these functions have been outstanding successes for me, and I'm going to continue to keep coming back.